Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how DocuSign allow you to create a app password that basically you can use this password to log in to your DocuSign account on another device. And by using this, you don't have to use your original password. And this is massive because what this does, it enhances security, and so you don't have to worry about using your original credentials to log into, let's say, less secure devices, or even if you're using a public PC or whatever it is, you can use these credentials and afterwards you can later just delete it. Right, so this is massive. So it helps to increase security, and I think that this is massive. So how do you create an app generated password for DocuSign? It's super straightforward, and I'm going to walk you through the steps. So to find that, all you have to do is click your account on the upper right and click on manage profile. Under the profile section here, just simply click in privacy and security on the left and scroll down. In case you try to access privacy and security and it asks for your password, just simply go ahead and re-enter your password again, and you'll be able to log right back in to this privacy and security section. Now you want to scroll down, guys, and you will find a section that says additional security. Here is the app password. Use a DocuSign generated app password to log into DocuSign account from less secure integrated apps for better security. So you can quickly come here and click generate app password. Just give it a name. So I'm going to just say public PC, for example, and you just click generate a password. This is going to generate the password for you, and as you can see, this is the password. You can save it, you can share it, you can do whatever it is, right? And so you have those passwords generated and you use this to log in. And as you can see, this is like a password that you can use, and at any point in time you're finished with using this, you can always go back here and click and revoke. Simply means that you no longer want it, and you just click and remove, right? And so that this is done, you don't have to worry about that your password is stored somewhere and someone might use it or whatever it is. This password is more like I wouldn't say it's a one-time use, but you can use it like that, you can approach it like that to have it to log into some other device, but you have full control afterwards. Just quickly delete those password at any point in time. But that's it.